Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the camera app. Open it and tap the gear icon to enter settings. Once in, make sure you're on the rear camera view because options change per lens. If you see a search bar at top, use it to find motion photo quickly. You're doing this to stop the extra frames that save as motion clips and increase storage and upload time. Now locate the motion photo toggle so you can turn it off for good. Once inside settings, scroll to camera features and locate motion photo or motion images. Some One UI versions call it motion photo, while others say motion images. Toggle the switch off. You'll see the small motion icon disappear from the live camera UI, which confirms it's disabled. If your phone separates front and rear settings, switch cameras and repeat. Turning it off saves storage and prevents animated frames from being created when you press the shutter. To finish, take a quick test photo and view it in gallery to verify there's no motion playback. If the motion indicator still appears, close the camera app fully or reboot the phone and try again. Sometimes settings need a restart. If the toggle is completely missing, check for a One UI or camera update in Settings Software Update or Galaxy Store because behavior changed across updates. Finally, make sure any third-party camera apps aren't re-enabling motion on import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.